In this video, we're going to talk about how to fill out a check request form. The UCSB Residential Housing Association puts on lots of programs and events for our on-campus community. These programs have various costs ranging anywhere from administrative supplies to food, arts and craft, raffle prizes, and more. Sometimes you may be able to get an RHA advisor to make purchases for you on their University Flex card. Other times, you may need to or want to purchase items on your own and submit a check request form for reimbursement. Check request forms hold us accountable to documenting how we spend RHA funds. In this module, we'll go over how you fill out a check request form. Here is what the RHA check request form looks like. Let's get a little closer. In the upper section, you'll select the category your reimbursement falls under. You can pause the video here to review the different categories. Let's use an example to fill out this check request form. It's spring quarter, and the Environmental Awareness Chair Coordinator just put on an Earth Day program where they purchased 100 succulents from Home Depot, 100 mason jars from Amazon, and 12 pizzas from Costco. They'll need to make sure they have receipts for each of these purchases. The receipts will need to be attached to the check request form when the EACC submits it for reimbursement. As we see here, the EACC's purchases have added up to $270. Let's fill out the check request form. Since this check request form is for a program, we're going to take a look at the programming category. The EACC is a specialty position of the RHA Cord Board, so we'll circle line item number 7 to indicate that this check request was for specialty programming. Specialty members should write their position down as well. This is all you'll need to do for the upper section. Now that we've filled out the upper section, let's move on to the lower section. We're going to start with the section on the left. In Pay to the Order of, you'll want to write down the first and last name of the purchaser. For our example, the EACC is the purchaser. Our EACC will be Gary Gaucho. This program happened on April 22, 2020, and the name of the program was Get Earthy. We'll include as many vendors and items purchased as we can. Here it is pretty straightforward. We purchased 100 succulents from Home Depot, 100 mason jars from Amazon, and 12 pizzas from Costco. Our check amount will be $270. This is the total cost of all our receipts added up. Our EACC will be picking up their own check from the RHA Finance Desk located in the HDAE office by the De La Guerra Dining Commons. They've included their contact information so our finance assistant can reach out to them. We're almost done. Now we just need 2 signatures from authorized signers. For RHA, our authorized signers are the RHA President, Admin VP, Finance VP, Programming VP, or any of the RHA advisors. Remember, even if you are an authorized signer, you cannot sign your own reimbursement. Now that we have 2 authorized signatures, we are all done filling out the form. We've now completed our check request, and we can submit it to the RHA Finance Assistant. Don't forget to attach your receipts and a list of all participants. If you still have any questions about how to fill out a check request form, please contact your RHA advisor.